Hello guys, welcome back. Ohayo gozaimasu, herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on Tesla, ticker TSLA. Yeah, we have here guys more or less an almost confirmed bullish reversal for Tesla. What does that mean guys? If this bullish reversal gets confirmed, that means that the temporary bottom here, at least when we now recap here the last two trading years, of about $100 is in, and that we start to build a bullish reversal, and then that could mean guys that Tesla can go back here to the $400 range. So I will give you now here the updated price chart. This is of course, as you know, not financial advice. The main purpose here is to educate you in trading. That's why I dive here into a lot of chart techniques here for Tesla. I will show you how I identify here this potential bullish reversal. And guys, of course, usually I talk here about short squeeze stocks. We want to, of course, check out if Tesla can still squeeze and can come back here to $400 or even higher. And that's why I will start here now with the chart analysis. Yeah, guys, as I said, after this huge, massive shakeout, which we had here, as you all know, or maybe you know that the bear market here, or the 1 year bear market started here in November 2021. A lot of stocks had their peaks in November 2021. That was the all-time high for Tesla at $414. This is here, of course, a split adjusted chart right now, of course. And then we had here 1 year of a bear market, even a little bit more than 1 year. Then Tesla had here something like a technical bottom at $100 and recovered from that. And since then, guys, what we want to see now here is, of course, a new, not an all-time high, but a new high, a price over $300, because that was the peak. Then we got rejected, and then finally we want to break out here. So why do I think we are here in the middle of a bullish reversal? I will enable the drawings and disable the indicators for a second. So guys, and this is my chart for Tesla. Very simple. I don't want to overload you here with too much information. That's why I keep it here short and simple. This is the bearish trend channel pattern for Tesla, and this is the bullish trend channel pattern for Tesla. That means in the long term here, of course, we are very, very bullish. Everybody who bought in here in 2019 or earlier, guys, here in the $12 to $20 range is very, very profitable. You have more than 10x in your portfolio right now on Tesla, and I think it is very possible that we come back here in the $400 range or even higher. So what we want to see, guys, when we talk about trend channel patterns, we want to see confirmation points and breakouts. And what we have right now, so for now I want you to focus only on this yellow line here. So this is the let's call it the bear trend channel pattern, in which the bears accumulated the price for Tesla. I make this a little bit more visible that you can focus on that, guys. Here, this white trend channel controlled the price of Tesla. Very easy for traders, guys, because every time when we hit here the bottom, we see a technical algo reaction to the upside. Every time when we hit the top, we see a sell-off. So I love these patterns. You can see that for Bitcoin, or I make so many videos here on my channel where we have these kind of patterns, and it makes it really simple to swing trade those stocks, guys. Trading is not simple, don't get me wrong, but when you know how to read the charts, how to spot the details, it makes it become more simple. So guys, and when we follow up this pattern here, that's why I say please focus here on the yellow line in the chart. Then we know that we never could break out of this yellow line here. Rejection, 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 rejection. Here even we didn't touch the line here, guys, and that is now what changed for Tesla, why we could finally see our bullish reversal. Not only we rejected here all the time, we also respected the bottom here, always respected the bottom here, and then finally the bears made their final shakeout here. So we fall off of this trend channel pattern here, and this is very often an indicator or an indication that the bottom is in. And you can see immediately when they tried to gap down the price here, we had 1, 2, 3 gap downs. I will zoom in for you guys, and sorry for the messed up chart. I will make that here a little bit more transparent, that we can focus on the technical details here, guys. So, and you can see we had here 1, 2, 3 gap ups for Tesla here. That is often a sign that the market makers want to create drama, want to shake you out of their positions, want to trigger stop losses from investors, guys. And what is the reaction out of that? They buy as much as they can for the lowest possible price. And the reaction was, guys, that Tesla here squeezed in just here 97 days, guys. Less than 90 days here, almost 100%. So that's why I say, for me, Tesla is something like a Yes, it is a squeeze play, but not a typical short squeeze stock. Why, guys? Because I predict here, or try to predict short squeezes every day or every week here on my channel. Every Sunday I upload my so-called hot stock videos, and these videos here contain tickers with high squeeze potential where I try to predict short squeezes, which means when I release this video on Sunday, I expect these tickers to squeeze in the very next few days. And just last week on Sunday I released my latest hot stock video, guys, and already yesterday we had our squeeze. Here was the date of the video release, and this ticker squeezed 218%, also exactly here in the liquidity zone which I expected to squeeze, and also this price level here rejected the price, but we had a 218% squeeze. So it is possible to predict short squeezes if you know how to read the charts, how to spot the signals, where to enter, where to exit. It is very, very possible to do that, guys. Yeah, if you want to see my hidden short squeeze stocks here, I have a lot of tickers here on my channel for members only. Then you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You get, of course, full access here to my member videos, to my hot stock videos, and in addition to my trading alerts. Trading alerts are simple screenshots with buying liquidity zone, exits price levels, stop loss price levels, and this is very good for people who don't have time to watch all my videos. Then you can just see a simple screenshot, and yeah, can follow up this if you want to trade this or not, guys. Please be noticed, guys, here Patreon will increase the memberships by 30% starting November 1st. So if you join in here before November 1st, you don't have to pay the additional 30%. Even if you just keep your membership, if you join in now and you just keep the membership, you never have to pay more than the actual price. But starting November 1st, Patreon, not me, Patreon will increase the prices by 30%. Guys, everybody's welcome to join in. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. The links to my memberships are here in the video description. So guys, I talked about the potential bullish reversal for Tesla, and why do I think we have now our potential reversal incoming. There is one small chance that this is here a fake out by the market makers, because we have here this so-called M pattern setup here, like a double top, almost a double top pattern. This is the only thing where I'm not 100% sure, but what I expect right now, you can see that we break out here for the first time. I mentioned that before, the first time since November 2021. We broke out here out of this trend channel that was here in July this year, 2024. Then the market makers gapped down the price. Yeah, they always work with gaps, gap downs and gap ups in the pre and after market here. You can see this huge gap. They said, oh no, the bulls are coming. We have to take all we have here and manipulate the price to the downside. But the bulls said, no, guys, now we are ready here to buy the dip, and we are ready to push Tesla up to higher price ranges. And then you can see after this gap down here, the price quickly recovered, and here the volume kicked in here with these candles, and now we have our successful breakout again. There is a potential that we see one more retest here back to $220, but you can see already here the purple line or the pink line in the chart. One of the make it or break it price levels for Tesla is $231, guys. So after the second breakout attempt, the potential that we find support here, in my opinion, is very, very high. The only chance that the market makers have that they still create these kind of gap downs and that they gap down the price, and then we could end up here in the $180 range. But for now, I'm bullish on Tesla. This is not to hype you up, guys. I don't want to create FOMO here, but when we see the signals, it looks like that $231 is now the new bottom. It has been always a bottom here, depending on the price. That's why I say that is a make it or break it price level. When the price is trading above $231, it acts like a support. When the market makers create shakeouts here below that price, it acts like a resistance. But you can see that here in the past, this always was a supportive price range for Tesla, and that never changed, guys. The algos are still the same. So that's why I think we could see here some shakeout on the RSI, that the market makers create some panic, that the price will come down here back to $231. So that would mean a potential loss of 5%. And what we also see, guys, what is also a favor here for a potential reversal, the EMA lines, yeah, which are a resistance or support for the price, start to leave this trend channel pattern. You can see 3 EMA lines already left this pattern. We even trading now above $231. So this is usually a bullish support, and it looks not bad. The only thing what I don't like here is that the RSI is floating here around below the 50% area. This is not good. We want to see it over 50%, or in best case for a potential buy-in price here below 30, guys. Same like here. You can see as soon as the RSI has been oversold for Tesla, we had this massive reaction here. This is what I want to see. And when we get an oversold RSI, yeah, which means below 30 and still trading above $231, guys, that would be super, super bullish for Tesla. Price levels to the upside, guys, of course, this open gap at $289. And then, guys, I want to see that we create a higher high here, that we create a price over $300. We have still a bearish liquidity zone. This is why we need here a lot of volume for Tesla to break the bears, guys. The bears are waiting here between $301 and $260, guys. This red box here is the territory of the bears. When we come through with volume, guys, over $320, we could see here a massive spike for Tesla, even something like a small squeeze, and then just the next price goal is waiting here, I would say between $360 and this open gap at $400. Yeah, guys, this is of course not financial advice. This is what I can tell you here based on the chart. This is just my honest opinion. Yeah, this is your decision which stock you want to buy or sell, guys. As I said, if you want to see my short squeeze stocks, please check them out. We have here high squeeze potential, and you can see this squeeze just took 1 day, guys, here. Yeah, this is a 4 hours chart. In 1 day, this ticker squeezed 218%. Yeah, guys, if you like this video, if you don't want to miss any updates on Tesla or my other short squeeze stocks, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. If you want to copy here my price levels, also I can provide you here the price level information. When you just pause the video, you can see the liquidity zones and the price ranges here in the chart. This is everything here based on TradingView. I use TradingView, guys, for all my trades and for all my videos. This program, I love it. I'm used to this since years. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but everybody who wants to get this program, guys, can use my discount link. If you use this link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. My friends, I wish you great success with Tesla. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Tesla und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.